This is a 2006 Chevrolet Impala. This vehicle has seating for 6 adults and a 3.5-liter V6. Features include a multi-function display, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, interior wood trim accents, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, latch-ready child seat anchors, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 62,000 miles. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Classic Toyota is located at the intersection of Old Jacksonville and Loop 323, across from the Brookshire's Warehouse and Home Depot. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations and to ensure that you'll return for future visits.